All right, so my client was already under contract on a house, and then they financed the car, and that one decision almost killed the deal and caused a lot of stress. I'm Jason Turner with Navigator Mortgage Brokers, and this is exactly why I tell my buyers not to make major financial decisions before closing. My client had already been pre-approved, the house was under contract, and everything was moving in the right direction. Movers lined up, everything ready to go. Then before closing, they went out and financed a vehicle because they wanted to start fresh with everything, right? What they didn't realize was that new car payment changed their debt to income ratio and affected the numbers we had originally pre-approved them with. So here's the part that a lot of buyers don't understand. Getting pre-approved does not mean you're done. Your lender may recheck your credit, employment, income, assets, debts, everything before closing. So don't make the assumption that just because you're pre-approved that you're automatically going to get a loan. So if you open up a new credit card, finance furniture, buy a car, co-sign with someone, or make any kind of major financial move, it can change the approval, and you definitely don't want to do that when you're under contract. So in this case, we had to go back through the file, recalculate everything, and make sure that everything was still good to go. And we had to do a few changes, and fortunately we were able to work through it, but it created unnecessary stress and came way too close to affecting the closing. So here's the rule I give every buyer. Once you're pre-approved, don't make major financial changes without talking to your mortgage professional first, okay? You could possibly get a new car if it's the same payment or really close to it, but talk to your mortgage professional first, okay? Just because you're approved today doesn't mean that something can't change before closing. So make sure you have that communication. If you're buying a home or you're thinking about financing a car, opening a credit card, changing jobs, or making a large purchase, call your lender first, okay? A 5-minute conversation can save the entire deal. And, there's lots of things that can happen. But let me know in the comments, what's the craziest thing that you've heard? And I would love to hear all the stories. Y'all take care.